Ukraine invasion may disrupt chip supply chain. According to analysts, the Russian invasion of Ukraine might generate problems for chipmakers, who are now experiencing a shortage of components that is impacting product deliveries. Neon is a noble gas used mostly in semiconductor manufacturing, and Ukraine contributes 70% of the world's supply, according to TrendForce this month. An analytics group had projected that the fighting we witnessed this week would lead to neon shortages in certain regions. For this reason, gas production line outages in Ukraine will not stop semiconductor manufacturing lines short-term. Chip fabs have a supply of gases on hand. According to what we've heard, a decrease in gas supply would lead to price spikes that are expected to be passed on to consumers. According to TechSet, Russia is also a major supplier of neon and a major source of palladium, a metal essential for catalytic converters, electronics, and many other applications. As a result, if sanctions are imposed on Russia, suppliers may be forced to seek out other sources. COVID-19 is still producing problems, even if the conflict in Ukraine changes the supply chain's dynamics. Approximately 0.5% of worldwide 200mm wafer manufacturing was paused in recent weeks, according to TrendForce. Hejian Technology, China's second-largest chipmaker and a subsidiary of Taiwan's United Microelectronics Corporation, has been experiencing a 10-day production delay, according to an expert, UMC. TrendForce's research doesn't specify whether Hejian Technology struggled to staff its factory as a direct result of COVID-19 or as a downstream impact of the pandemic. Hejian's Fab 8N, according to UMC, can manufacture 50,000 wafers per month, which accounts for 0.4% to 0.5% of worldwide supply, according to TrendForce. As a result, according to the firm's estimates, the delay may reduce UMC's annual sales by $225 million, or 0.3%. The accountants at UMC will be dealing with a much larger number today. Yesterday, the chipmaker revealed a $5 billion investment in a new fab in Singapore, which it will be building. The facility will be able to produce up to 30,000 wafers a month at a pace of 22 nanometers and 28 nanometers manufacturing techniques.